right now we are on Semantika Bandung. Okay, we are going to observation. Okay, so follow us and enjoy. Bye.
Wait, we still haven't explained what our topic yet, have we? Alright then, let me have the pleasure of telling you. As you have already known from the title, we are going to explain our finding about the relevance of Canva's utilization to the effectiveness of students' learning. And in this research, we are focusing on senior high school as the research target. So, first of all, have you ever heard of Canva? Well, regardless of whether you've heard about it or not, I'll still introduce it to you. Canva is a platform that focuses on graphic design. There's various things you can design on this platform. It ranges from posters, infographics, presentations, slides, video, and many more. Canva first emerged in 2013, but Canva for Education was only announced in 2019. So yeah, you can already expect how huge the impact of Canva in educational settings with this announcement. That's it for the short introduction to Canva. From this, you may already have a guess about why we are doing this research. More or less, we are doing this research to find out, did Canva really affect the effectiveness of students' learning process? Well, the detailed exposition coming right next.
Okay, the use of technology in education has experienced rapid development, especially with the present offers applications that support the learning process. One such app that is growing in popularity is Canva, a graphic design platform that allows users to easily create visual content. This is the great and the perfect application. Research shows that using Canva can increase student interest in learning, especially in subjects that are considered difficult such as mathematics. By presenting information in an interactive visual format, students become more motivated to actively participate in class. And now, we next to the next research. Furthermore, Canva also encourage student creativity as they are given the freedom to design learning-based projects such as poster and presentation. It was stated before that by presenting information in an interactive visual format, students become more motivated to actively participate in class. But we can't be 100% sure was that always the case. Will all students actually become more motivated and more active? The same goes for the teacher. Some research says the Canva can help teacher ease their burden because Canva offers so many features that can greatly help them in creating learning media. But can we guarantee that all teachers who use Canva feel helped by it? So the aforementioned question, we came up with a plan to do our own research, a research in which to see the really of Canva's utilization in school, to find out the relevance of Canva's utilization to the effectiveness of students' learning.
Research design. This research employs a qualitative descriptive design to explore the relevance of using Canva in improving students' learning effectiveness. It seeks to investigate the experience and perceptions of both teachers and students in utilizing Canva as a learning tool. Research participants. The participants in this study include two teachers from SMAN 3 Bandung, identified as Mr. Dede, psychics teacher, and Mr. Ginanjar, chemistry teacher, as well as their students. These participants were selected using purposive sampling based on their extensive use of Canva in the classroom. Data collection methods interviews. Semi-structured interviews were conducted with the two teachers to understand their experience, challenge, and the perceived benefits of Canva in their teaching practice. Student feedback, surveys, and focus group discussions were conducted with students to gather their perspective on using Canva for learning tasks. Ethical considerations. Participants provided informed consent before participating in the study. Data was anonymized to ensure confidentiality and used solely for academic purposes.
Do you know how to awesome teacher at SMAN 3 Bandung experience using Canva in the region? Let's check out their stories. 1. Mr. Dede, a physics teacher, was introduced to Canva 2 years ago when he saw his friend presenting use the app. At first, he was just trying it out, but it turns out Canva has a lot of cool features for presentation and design. However, he still often uses PowerPoint because it's more familiar. In teaching, Mr. Dede used Canva to make teaching materials more interesting, especially for abstract concepts like physics, as it turns out students understand better because the visual illustration make the physics concept more tangible. However, Mr. Dede said that Canva is just one of the tools. Other methods are still important to maximize learning. 2. Mr. Ginanjar, a chemistry teacher, has been using Canva since 2018. At first, it was just for fun, but as time went on, it's become more intense, especially since 2020, he has access to Canva Premium from his Belajar.id account, so all materials from models to presentation are done in Canva. He once gave a project to 10 grad students about automatic structure. The result, students prefer to ask Canva because it looks fresh and contemporary. In fact, even though they don't say it directly from their experience, it looks like they are very satisfied. Yes. These two teachers agree the Canva makes learning more fun and interactive. The challenge? Well, sometimes you have to rely on an internet connection. So, for those of you who are looking for ways to make learning more lively, Canva can be option. Reminder, there is no limit to creative.
Kau pernah gak sih kayak familiar sama penggunaan Canva untuk kegiatan pembelajaran?
Hampir di setiap pembelajaran mungkin ada tugas yang diberi oleh guru yang harus menggunakan Canva juga. Oke, nah seberapa sering sih pakai Canva di pembelajaran? Hampir, mungkin kalau dalam presentase 80%.
Oh, 80%. Oke. Nah, dalam mata pelajaran apa saja yang biasanya ngelibatin Canva buat kegiatan pembelajaran?
Mungkin yang baru-baru saja dipelajari kemarin dari aku sendiri ya. Kalau kemarin tuh sejarah untuk presentasi kebetulan tentang kerajaan-kerajaan, terus informatika tentunya pasti dengan Canva familiar gitu kalau tugas-tugas.
Oke. Menurut kamu sendiri gitu, apakah Canva ini ngebantu banget buat kamu presentasi tadi dibanding gak pakai Canva gitu?
Ya, karena Canva yang bantu memperlihatkan materi-materi yang mau diterangin juga gitu.
Oke, lanjut. Nah, gimana sih pandangan kamu terhadap penggunaan Canva ini?
Pandangan aku, Canva telah membantu banyak tentunya, apalagi bagi para pelajar dalam menyelesaikan tugas-tugasnya, terutama tugas presentasi, tugas poster, dan yang lain sebagainya yang berhubungan dengan digital.
Oh, berarti ada poster juga,
Ya.
nggak cuma presentasi?
Ya.
Oke. Nah, apakah menurut kamu Canva itu bisa membuat suasana pembelajaran itu makin menyenangkan atau malah bikin distraksi gitu?
Kalau menurut aku sendiri lebih menyenangkan karena beberapa guru misalnya kayak biografi
Ya.
diterangin lewat presentasi di Canva itu lebih jadi enjoy gitu buat pembelajaran juga.
Iya.
Karena gambarnya menarik gitu.
Oke. Nah, apakah kamu merasa tertekan gitu saat ada project atau tugas yang harus pakai Canva? Atau malah senang?
Lebih senang sih terutama kalau lewat Canva daripada misalnya lewat Word gitu ya,
Ya.
makalah gitu ini lebih pusing gitu dan lebih berat. Kalau Canva bisa dikerjainnya bareng juga kan sama yang lain, terus lebih enak bagi-bagi tugas.
Oke. Nah, apakah penggunaan Canva menurut kamu tuh membantu banget untuk memahami materi pelajaran?
Sangat membantu.
Membantu, apalagi kalau presentasi ya gitu. Oke. Apakah penggunaan Canva ini membuat tugas-tugas yang diberikan sama guru tuh lebih menarik atau enggak?
Sebenarnya kalau menurut saya lebih menarik karena sebagian orang itu kan ada yang seperti yang belajar visual
Ya.
dan itu akan membantu mereka dalam mengambil pelajaran sehingga pembelajaran akan mudah disampaikan dan visualisasi akan lebih mudah dengan orang.
Oke. Nah, apakah penggunaan Canva menurut kamu tuh lebih memotivasi kamu untuk aktif dalam tugas atau project apa enggak?
Kalau menurut saya sih ya karena dengan tadi yang ada kemudahan dalam pembelajaran jadi Canva akan mendorong saya untuk memudahkan tugas-tugas supaya semakin terlihat lebih mudah dan menyenangkan.
Oke. Nah, kalau menurut kamu nih, apakah kamu pengen gitu kayak Canva tuh sering digunakan dalam kegiatan pembelajaran atau malah menurut kamu tuh kayaknya cukup sedikit-sedikit aja deh gitu?
Saya sebenarnya kita bisa menyeimbangkan antara penggunaan Canva dan pembelajaran supaya pembelajaran lebih menarik. Jadi walaupun tidak hanya selalu menggunakan Canva, mungkin masih bisa menggunakan aplikasi lain seperti PowerPoint dan sebagainya.
Oke. Nah, fitur Canva yang menurut kamu tuh harus lebih dieksplorasi dalam pembelajaran itu ada gak? Apa?
Misalnya itu ada fitur aplikasi. Karena kan aplikasi itu sekarang kan kita bisa menggunakan fitur aplikasi dan menggunakan aplikasi-aplikasi lain seperti YouTube dan permainan-permainan sebagainya lainnya.
The implementation of Canva in educational settings, as demonstrated through the experience at SMAN 3 Bandung, reveals both the potential and limitation of digital design platform in enhancing the learning process. The research shows that Canva serves as an effective tool for creating engaging visual content, particularly in subjects like physics and chemistry, where abstract concepts can be challenging for students to grasp. Both Mr. Dede and Mr. Ginanjar experience highlight how Canva user-friendly interface and modern design capabilities have contributed to increase student engagement and understanding. So, it's important to note that Canva serves as a complementary tool rather than complete replacement for traditional teaching methods. However, the study also emphasized that the effectiveness of Canva's implementation varies depending on several factors, including internet connectivity, teacher familiarity with the platform, and individual student response to visual learning methods. While some students show increased motivation and engagement when using Canva, the research acknowledged that this response isn't universal across all students. These findings suggest that while Canva represents a valuable addition to modern educational tools, it suggests depending heavily on thoughtful integration into existing teaching methodologies and consideration of diverse learning needs. The experience of both teachers demonstrate that Canva's impact is most significant when used as a part of broader, well-rounded teaching approach that combines both traditional and digital learning methods.